Good morning, children. Once again, welcome back to our online English classroom. I am Vichita, your English teacher. Last class, we learned an EVS topic, that is from head to toe. I hope all of you got the content clearly. What was the topic? Yes, we learned different parts of our body. We have also learned a simple but beautiful rhyme. And now we will discuss another topic that is also EVS, and the name of the lesson is All About Actions. In our last class, we learned different parts of our body. But now we will learn the uses of different parts of our body. So shall we start? Yes, very good. First of all, let us sing a rhyme. Okay, all of you together sing with me. My dear children, let us start. Lesson 4, All About Actions, and a beautiful rhyme, Hop a Little. Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Skip a little, run a little, tap one knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed. Hop a little, jump a little, 1, 2, 3. Skip a little, run a little, tap one knee. Bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed. So my dear children, did you enjoy the poem? How was it? Yeah, very good. So you have to learn it from your home also and repeat the rhyme. Okay. Now let us learn the different uses of our body parts. My dear children, I hope all of you got your textbook. So take your textbook and take page number 18. There you can see some pictures. We can see the uses of our hands and legs. What are the uses of our hands? We use our hands to do many things. To draw, to eat, to comb hair, to hold things, to lift things, and to write. Apart from this, there are some other uses of hands. You have to find it. Okay? So what are the uses of hands? We use hands to draw, eat, comb, hold, lift, write, etc. Next one. We use our legs to do many things. And what are they? Here we can see a boy is walking, a girl is running, a boy is kicking a ball, a girl is jumping. So what are the uses of legs? We use legs to walk, to run, to kick, to jump, etc. Next one is sense organs. What is it? Sense organs. How do we know what is happening around us? Can you guess? How can we know what is happening around us? Yes, I will tell you. We have 5 ways to know what is happening around us. And these are called senses. So we have 5 senses. They are senses of sight, hearing, smell, touch, taste. Once more. Senses of sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Read the sentences. I see with my eyes. I see with my eyes. So what use of eyes? We can see all the things around us. We can see all the nature, colors around us, trees, environment, everything with our eyes. Next one, I hear with my ears. So what is the use of ears? Hear. We can hear different sounds. Sounds of birds, the barking of dogs, beautiful songs, etc. Next one is I smell with my nose. Yes, so what is the use of nose? We can smell different things. Good smell, bad smell, pungent smell, etc. The smell of perfumes, smell of delicious food, smell of flowers, etc. Next one, I taste with my tongue. What is it? We can taste different food items. Am I right? Then what we use for that? We use our tongue, and this tongue is inside our mouth. And last one is I feel with my skin. How can we feel? We feel with our skin, and we can see the skin in all parts of our body. We feel whether it is cold or hot, whether it is hard or smooth by using our skin. So these are the 5 sense organs. So our tongue tells us that the mango is sweet. Our skin tells us that whether it is a cold or hot day. Our nose tells us whether the cake smells good. Our eyes tells whether the grass is green. And our ears tells us that the bell is ringing or not. So these are the 5 sense organs. What are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Eyes, ears, nose, and tongue are the parts of our face. And skin we can see in all parts of our body. So let us recollect the topic. What did we learn today? Yeah, different uses of our body parts. What are the uses of our hands? We use our hands to write, hold things, lift some things to another place. Then what else? Yes, to draw, to eat, etc. And what are the uses of our leg? We use our legs to walk, jump, run. Then what else? To stand, etc. What is the another thing we studied today? What is it? Yeah, we also studied about sense organs. What is it? Sense organs. We have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue. These are the parts of our face and skin. Skin is, we can see skin in all parts of our body. And what is the use of eyes? We use eyes to see all the things around us. Around us. We use eyes to see different things around us. We can see different colors. Am I right? Yeah. Next one, ears. We can hear. We use ears to hear. We can hear the sound of bell. We can hear the sound of beautiful music. Isn't it? Next one is nose. What is the use of nose? Yeah, smell. We can smell both good and bad. Yes, fourth one is tongue. Well, can you see tongue? Yes, inside our mouth. Here, this is tongue. And what is its use? We can taste. We can taste delicious food items. And last one is skin. Skin is seen in all parts of our body. And what is its use? We can feel. We can feel whether it is cold or whether it is hot, etc. Right? Yeah. So I hope all of you understood today's topic clearly. So I have already told you that you need not to by heart this for your exam. It is just for your understanding only. In our classroom, I also attached the textual activities. You can do it. Okay? So see you next day. Thank you.